Hey, what's up YouTube? So just working on this RV right here. Got to get the AC filled up on it. Installed some retrofit fittings to convert from the r12 to the 134A. So just vacuuming it out for about 20 minutes so far. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes and see how it holds that vacuum. And I'll show you where the low side fitting is. It's all tucked away way inside of here. Well, you can see it from here, but it's just right over here. Yeah, there we go. Yep, there's the fitting. Yeah, there's the low side hose hooked up, so it takes. The easiest way is from the bottom, from underneath. And there's a little Isuzu 4-cylinder. I wonder how it goes up the hills. Haven't even drove it yet, but we'll see. That's what it looks like inside. It needs some work on the inside. This is all still okay, but right here where the toilet is, needs some more fixing right here, this whole area. Yep. All right.